Hello, my name is Delilah Scamilla. I was with you guys the previous semester, or half of a semester, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, the question that she posted is why at this point in our life cycle or life phase, we want to pursue a master's in social work. Like I stated previously, I've been a nurse for the past 16 years of my life, and my children are all grown now. So I want to do something different. I don't want to resent my profession, but I'm at that point post-COVID pandemic where I really don't want to do nursing anymore. It's not what it used to be 16 years ago. And I find myself questioning, why am I there? I still have a passion for bedside nursing, but it is just not for me anymore. I love it, but it doesn't love me, if you can understand where I'm coming from. I want to pursue my career as a sex therapist. And so, in doing that, I have to do the master's in social work first, which is very similar to what we do as nurses, which is providing a service. But as a nurse, we do it medically. As a social worker, they offer services and also mental health, which is a component of what we do as nurses as well. So that's one of the reasons why I'm here, is to pursue that career. I look forward to working with each and every one of you guys this semester, and a little anxious as usual, not knowing. I think it's a big part of the anxiety. Um, what to expect, rather. Not knowing what to expect is a big part of the anxiety, but I know we'll all do well if we help each other. That's it. Thank you.